Yeah, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In today's video is a different kind of video. I just want to help you become a full-time music producer. I don't want to waste your time. I just want to get straight to the point. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, comment, like, and share all my videos. Yeah man, let's get straight in. The first thing first that you need to become a certified music producer. Are you ready? Okay. The first thing first that you need to become a music producer, a full-time music producer, is knowledge, bruh. You need to be knowledgeable about the field that you're embarking on. You need to know what is going on. You need to know who's who, who's top, who's not, who's dope. You understand what kind of VSTs that they are using these days. You need to have knowledge, bro. The effects that are changing and like they are having an impact on the music's lives. What's going on? The drum kits, like the drums. What kind of most used drums for the trap beats, snares? Who's popular in the trap industry? Who's like, bro, knowledge is power, right? So you just have to make sure you do your research and you know what's going on before you can start going to the field and fighting to be the number one or fighting to stay in the game, right? Knowledge is power. Again, you need to know what's going on. You need to know what kind of production styles works best for the industry, not for yourself. Remember, you're not doing it for yourself, you're doing it for the community. So the people will be listening. They want new sound, they want new beats, they want new productions, they want something new. Everything every day is a different day, right? Every dog gets its own day. So you need to make sure you learn so that you can survive and change with times, because times are and conditions are changing. You need to adapt, right? So honestly, when I move or when I transition from flstudiomobile to flstudio, because I will soon, right? But I won't stop making music in flstudiomobile. I will, but it doesn't mean that if I make music in flstudiomobile, I don't have the knowledge to make music in FL You don't know that. You don't know what I do in my spare time if I'm not making beats. Maybe I'm busy learning FL Studio, and then after that I go to flstudiomobile to make tutorials or to make beats, and you understand. So knowledge is power. Again, I can't spend the whole day without learning something new. Like right now, I just learned something new about mixing, right? There's this guy, so I was reading this book, so I was like mixing the different type of mixing. So the sound, okay, surround sound, where you are surrounded by speakers all over. I'm in the middle, right? So if I'm surrounded by speakers, maybe 4, 5, 6, right? So I'm surrounded and I'm mixing, and at that frequency that is coming to my ear. So the frequency range for a normal ear is about 20,000 kilohertz, right? So that frequency it's occupying my ear, and I'm busy with it because I'm surrounded by sound and I'm mixing at the same time. So this is a type of different kind of mixing where you can get the proper mixing and all that stuff. So still, I just saw somebody commented in one of my video about clipping. I was like, god damn, I made a tutorial and then my beats were clipping, and then I was like, no, I'm not ignorant. I see what's going on. I see that if somebody's suffering from this type of thing, I'm also suffering from it. I need to learn more about it so that it doesn't happen again. Because imagine people, they always tell you, and it's not for the first time somebody commenting in my video saying, man, look, your beat is clipping. Then I need to know, how can I make my beats not to clip? Okay, I've made a tutorial about that. Make sure you go and watch my videos, and I'm gonna make more new tutorials about clipping, because it's something that most producers they suffer from, right? So that's knowledge. So I had to learn how to stop clipping, how to avoid clipping in flstudiomobile. And if I know how to avoid clipping in flstudiomobile, imagine when I go to FL Studio, I'm going to know what kind of effect that I need to use so that I don't get the same clipping that I'm getting in flstudiomobile. So like, knowledge is power. You need to make sure you know what you're doing. The type of effects that are very busy and people are loving. So the VSTs, like there is RC20, so like it's kind of like reverb, a vintage, it give you a vintage sound. It's kind of like this effect that most of the FL Studio users they love a lot. So it's type of knowledge that I have, and then there is gross beat, right? So most of these mainstream dope songs, they use a lot of gross beat. So it's knowledge, it's like you need to go beyond and learn and learn and learn. You can never stop learning. The second part that you need to become a full-time producer is passion, right? You need to have a passion for your music. You need to have a passion for what you're doing, passion for music production, passion for making beats, passion for like watching more tutorials and learning from other people. Because if you don't have passion and you're not inspired by somebody, you are not gonna survive and you're not gonna make it, right? You're gonna make it for like a 2 month, and then what about the 5th month, the 6th month, the 10th month that you are tired and you want to quit, right? Because you're tired of doing the same thing, you're tired of the same type beats you're making, you're tired and you want something different, right? So you need to be passionate about it, you need to learn more, you need to read more, you need to grow in it, you need to watch tutorials, learn from other people. I learn from other people, I can't stop learning, bro. I got people that if they don't stop, if they don't upload new tutorials, bro, I feel mad, bro. I feel mad to my stomach, and I ask myself, is these people, what's wrong with these people? Because man, I'm feeding off them. I want to learn, I want something new. I know that they are knowledgeable and they know more than I do, and I can't know more than anybody else. Even if I'm making tutorials, I'm not a mastermind, okay? I'm still learning from other people. I'm still learning from my own mistakes. So you learning from me, I learn from others. So it's a good, man. We're learning, we're passionate, we love what we do, right? So another thing that you need, bruh, you need to make sure you spend enough time. Like, time is very important. Like, how long do you give your music production, your beats, like your mastering, your mixing? You can't just wake up and mix for 2 minutes and 2 minutes, 1 hour, and say like my mix is good. Let me tell you the truth, man. Most of the time you find that you made a beat and it's sounding good to you, but after that you know that you need to mix and master, right? You mix and master after that, after making the beat. But when you come and revisit the beat 2 weeks or 1 month after, then you want to master and remix and check on how it's sounding, you know that it's totally different. Or you playing it in your small speakers and then you move beyond other big speakers and you play the same beat, it doesn't sound the same. Something is wrong. Either the 808 is muddy, the kick is muddy, clipping, or something is wrong. So when you mix it again for the second time, for the third time, for the fifth, each and every time I go through my beats, I learn something that, no man, something is wrong. I need to do something, I need to change this. Just like today, I had something that I had to change for this other beat that I was making. Yo, bruh, and I realized that I don't know anything, bruh. Even if I feel like I know something, I don't know nothing. That's why learning is always important. And then timing, you need to invest time in your craft. Time, right? We all have 24 hours in a day. What do you think we're doing in those 24 hours, bruh? Of course we're making beats. Of course we are learning new genres. We are trying to be better than yesterday and all that stuff. But still, you need to invest a lot of time, more experience. Another thing that you need to become a better music producer in 2024, you need to make sure that you collaborate with other people. Like, reach out to a friend, bruh. Get a mentor. It's also part of collaboration. Get someone that has been in this field for like more years than you. As for me, I'm still looking, I'm still searching, but I can't force it, right? I have to wait for my turn. I have to wait for God to bring me people that are in this field doing the same thing that I'm doing. Although I've been collaborating with other people and I'm grateful and I'm thankful, I wish that those people, they cannot stop collaborating with me, even though we take some time off and start focusing on ourselves and get back again at it and do it again. So it's not about I have to man, I have to force myself. Like, no, we're busy, we're all having a busy life, all doing different things, you understand? But at the same time, here and there, from time to time, we need to make sure we meet again doing the same thing, so that the community, bro, we should care for the people. It's not about us, it's about the people, it's about the ears. If we care for their ears, we love, we give them joyful music and they love it and they inspire, they go and inspire the next generation. So like, The highest human act, to be honest, is to inspire other people, inspire someone. I'm inspiring someone. I can't stop inspiring because somebody's always inspiring me. So the last but not least, I don't want to make this video too long, but I wanted to share some of these steps, these ideas, man, these things that could help you to become a better music producer. Last but not least, I want you to know that man, you will go through periods of like, hey man, I don't know what I'm doing, bruh. I just don't know what I'm doing. I'm lost, bruh. So embrace it, bruh. Because sometimes you find that you're trying to mix, but things are not coming together for you. You're trying to add a kick, trying to add 808, but like, man, it's terrible. So like, make sure you stay with yourself, bro. Get your mind right and practice mindfulness, like meditation, where you meditation, where you take time and connect, bruh. Be silent and then stop making beats, bruh. And then just, because like, it's very important. People that talk about mental health, bro, like that's the last thing I want to talk about, mental health. So it's very important. This is not a competition. Most people think like this is a competition. I'm competing with someone. If someone is having like 100k subscribers, and I'm like, damn man, I'm still on 10k, but I will get there. Because at the end of the day, I know what's making that person have 10k. I know what's making that person have placement with other artists. To understand, I know that it's working like non-stop every day, putting more time, more work on it. So instead of me worrying so that some other people are winning and I'm not winning, I have to focus on what? On myself, bro. If I focus on myself, then I can start to win, and I start to understand that winning, it starts with yourself, bro. It starts with you making sure that like you accept what's happening at the moment, live in the moment. Don't anticipate, like, anticipate what's coming in the future, but like, have a vision, but don't be kind of like, man, a hater. But like, don't be a hater, bro. Don't be a hater. Keep learning, keep growing, keep evolving. Come from time to time, and things are gonna be alright, man. You can be a producer like I am, bro. I'm a full-time producer. I made a video last year. I said I'm gonna quit my day job and I'm gonna focus full-time on making beats, and it's working, bro. I swear to God, yo, bro, I love this job. Waking up, just go to FL Studio, open FL Studio, make kicks, make drums, play some piano loops and all that stuff, bro. Things are just starting to pop up because I'm starting to understand music. I'm starting to understand mixing and mastering. I'm starting to understand the dynamics and everything. How when you use your headset, when you mix with your headset, it's not the same as when you mix with the speakers. Never the same. There's some differences. I'll make a different type of video. I don't like to make my videos too long because talking can be useful and beneficial, but I need to get back to making beats, doing what I love, you understand? So of course I also love making content, but music first, you understand? Without music there wouldn't be nicolasmadeit, there wouldn't be what you see right now. So anyways, let me close this video, guys. Thank you for watching until the end. Make sure you subscribe, comment, like, share all my videos. I got tons of tutorials. I don't know how many tutorials that are still waiting for me to drop and upload them. There's a lot, bruh. Only thing I'm busy with is creating thumbnails, making sure that the videos, they represent my style and where my background, right? So like, yeah man, peace and love. Make sure you guys stay on watch out, bruh. Like, you don't want to miss anything, bruh, because I'm coming with sauce, you understand? Coming with a lot of fire. So man, I'm not a liar. Make sure you watch the video, repeat the video, you will learn as you go. Anyways, thanks for watching. Peace, bruh. See you in the next video. Subscribe, like, subscribe. I see you. Subscribe.